Hello everyone, this is the Fun Guy, and today we're gonna play. Well, I was just doing some quests and I was going to the spider field and look, that's a vicious bee. Whoa, let's go! Only for me. 2k health. I think we can handle it. Sadly, it's not a gifted bee, a gifted one, but hey, it's still a vicious bee. How much stinger will it give me? Let's see. Whoa, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Okay, we got the vicious bee. Whoop. Stop spiking me. Would you attack? Bees, quickly. It only has 800 health left. Vicious bee is no more. Well, it is now more. It's a level 2 vicious bee. Hey, a vicious bee is a vicious bee. How many stingers? Up. Please say at least like more than one. Come on, and he's dead. Ah, yes, I got vicious 5 stingers. Cool. Now we have we have 30 stingers. That was easy. Well, I'll be back to you when I finish every quest. Like, I'm not kidding, every quest. Except the 7 to 7 because it's so full. So, yeah. Okay, I'm not really done, but yeah, vicious bee spawned again. It's the second time this episode. So many vicious bee.
Oh wait, you're recording?
Yep. And I just took a well, now I know the thumbnail.
Hey, can you give me a shout out?
Yeah, I'm playing with just a guy.
Yeah, and my channel is in the description.
Why?
What? Why?
You're not even in your YouTube account.
What?
You're not even in your YouTube account.
I am. Well, I'm not recording.
But you're not in your. Is this your YouTube account?
No, this is not my YouTube account.
Then. Okay, we're defeating a pretty high level vicious bee. Let's hope we get some more stingers. Dodging some stingers while having 4+. Never mind. I had 4+ speed, but now I don't.
4+ what?
Speed.
Should I use a stinger to attack more?
I don't know.
I'm gonna use one stinger since I'm probably gonna get more than one stinger.
I'm not gonna use any stingers. I'm just gonna keep running away. I really need better boots because I'm very slow and I have bad parachute.
I really want to get faster. Like,
I really want like something like the gummy boots. Now that's cool.
Yes. And me gummy boots. Me gummy boots. And coconut boots. And I want the gummy bee. I'm saving up for gummy bee.
Yep, me too. I'm also here to kind of grind because I also have a quest here. So yeah. We're still fighting it in the day, man. Let's go. Oh, there's only a few bees on it.
Now that bees are.
Yeah, bees are just going to sleepy.
Yes. Hey, did you kill the king beetle?
Nope.
I did today. You should. It gives you like 1 million.
Yeah. I just need 2 million, then I can go to the 25B area.
Oh.
Whoa, and when I'm there, I can get the good parachute and a bunch of other good stuff.
Me, I have double the money that I can buy.
Oh, your Coblat bee is still attacking.
My what?
Coblat bee, your event.
Clobat, not Colbat.
I said Clobat.
You said Colbat?
No, I said Clobat.
Oh my god, so many.
So many spikes from the ground.
Yeah, the spikes. The vicious bee actually tries to put spikes under you.
Who knew?
Everybody.
Then,
2K, we're almost done.
yep. Yeah.
I only need 150 more.
I only need a lot more. Ow, that's 30 health. Ow. Ouch.
I actually need 151 since I used one of my stingers. I
Yeah.
had exactly 100 stingers. Yeah, it's
Kill
dead.
it. I'm not gonna move now.
Oh my god!
3 stingers.
I got 8.
Cool.
Oh, that was a lot.
And I got a bunch of honey from it. So now can you please go? I'm trying to farm here.
Okay, fine.
Okay, be back to you with most of the quests done. Boom. Snapped my finger. Talk to Black Bear. I think like how many more quests? But ooh, I think this is the final quest. I think this is. Okay, that is pretty hard. Rose, pine, pumpkin, cactus, pineapple. Ooh, well before we do that, we got 2 royal jelly. Let's use it on our 2 bad bees. Has to be. Okay, enough for our other bee. A honey bee. Hey, we got another epic. Now we only have 1 more rare that isn't a gifted bee. We have 2 rare gifted bees. So let's go. Can we get a brown bear quest? We can. Talk to brown bear. Talk to brown bear. What do you need? Clover. So this one. But no, I really want in this episode. Nope. Yeah. So the next episode we will be getting the mythic egg. Sorry for the delay, but yeah. So we talked to. So now we need to finish the Cloverfield, but before that we need to talk to Science Bear. Okay. Talk to Science Bear. You gave us more honey. Blah 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 blah. Blue flower. Yeah, sure, we need blue flower and 12 rhino beetles and 8 mantises. Let's go to blue flower and start the grind. Put my sprinkler and there it goes. Now my fingers in 2, 3, 2, 1. I was in the middle of doing this quest, but now it's night time. So maybe a vicious bee is going to spawn. Maybe. Not in dandelion. Not in mushroom. Oh, a gifted vicious bee. Oh my goodness, a gifted vicious bee. The nervous field again. Oh my goodness, a gifted one. Okay, it could give us a lot, but maybe it has a lot of health. Whoa, gifted vicious bee. Go. Oh no. Oh my goodness. I got the thumbnail. Got another one. Whoa, that's a lot of gold. That's a lot of yellow spikes. 40,000 HP. It's a level 6 and it has more than a... Well, what am I expecting from like a gifted vicious bee? Ooh. I think we can take him on. Just don't want to die. Please, no dying. Ooh. Boom, got another thing. Got another one. Boom, another one. Okay, I think that's enough picturing. Whoa. It's going down health. We can do it. Most of my bees are going to sleep. But most of my music bees are still on. No. Fight that vicious bee. Don't fight that vicious bee. Don't. I don't want anything from me, and I want the vicious bee dead. The gifted vicious bee. Most of my, a lot of my legendaries went back to sleep. Whoa. Whoa, oh my goodness. This is our third vicious bee in the same episode. Okay, today. That still doesn't change anything. You still need to fight it. Whoa. Quickly, bees. Fight harder. I'm gonna use a stinger. Yeah. Boom, I used one. Activated stinger. There you go, I activated one. Now they attack better. I'll just be back to you when the fight gets more intense, because now I'm just dodging spikes and while my bees do all the work. So boom. Okay, I'm still fighting it. Hey. Whoa. Dodging. I'm a very cool dodger. Up. Jump over that shroom. Up. It's spawning. It's losing health slow, but it's still losing. I hope it doesn't go. I hope it doesn't escape. I really hope that. So, boom. Okay, I'm still fighting it. It's taking a long time because my bees are horrible. Well, not really, but still, attack it. Oh. Imagine this vicious bee gives him like 250. You just imagine. But probably not. I'm just using some stingers and my rage bee attack. It's lowering. Just keep lowering. That's all I wanted to do. Just keep attacking it. I don't think there's a timer, which I'm glad of, but maybe there is. Maybe if I'm too slow, just disappear. Okay, all of my bees are on it. Up. No, stop it. There you go, there's the rage one. I'm not gonna use any more stingers. I've used like 4. That's enough. Cause maybe this guy will only give me 3. But I hope not. I still can't believe that this is our 3rd one today. in this episode. I'm coming. Go bees. You can do it, bees. Demo bees out of energy. Everyone's out of energy. Just keep doing it, bees. Never run out of energy. Just keep doing it. Fight. Only have 14,000 health. Ow, I just touched the spike. It does a lot of damage. Oh, I don't want to die. Please don't die. That's the least thing I need. That's the last thing I need. Yo. Oh, I was lagging, sadly. Oh. I'm just gonna use a micro converter now. Ooh. There we go. So now my pollen is empty. I can go to the 25B place, but I'm kind of busy with the vicious bee. Oh, this is a very nerve-wracking because those spikes deal a lot of damage, and he's doing a lot of it. Okay, I'm gonna use another stinger. I really need this to be over. Oh no! Oh no! Come on! Only 10,000 health. Be back to you when it's dead. Okay. It's almost dead. Almost. Has like 6,000. It's going down. It's health. What do you do? Oh, okay. The focus is a very good. The critical chance higher. Critical means more, which means okay. There you go. We have a double. Okay, plus 2% attack. No! Please don't lag now. Ooh. No. Okay, I'm back. 5k health. Think it's dead. Using a stinger now. That was a rage bee. That was a rage token. Okay, it has less than 5,000. I think we did it. Okay, I hope. Okay, I think we can do it. Whoa! Jump over this, jump over this, jump over that. Come on! No, that focus. I wanted it. We have no power ups. Oh, there you go. Now I have the rage power up. Boom! Oh! It was worth it. And then now I have the focus plus the rage. More focus. 3 focus. Focus. Crit it. Crit it with the rage. Be angry and crit it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh no. There you go. It has 1,000. It has like in the 1,000. It has less than 2,000. Oh. Come on. This is a very nerve-wracking fight. Up. Okay, that's less than 1,000. Let's go. Focus this. Come on, only 500. Yeah, there we go. It's dead. It's almost dead. Oh. 9 stingers. Woo. And 2 million honey. Oh my. That was definitely worth it. Whoa, that was a very epic fight. So let's just end the video off with using a basic egg and getting max things. So that's the end of this episode. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe, and as always, don't have a good day, have a fun day. Goodbye. Subscribe.